Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2018 Honda Metropolitan scooter. Beautiful tan metallic with a brown seat. Only 50cc automatic transmission, goes about 35 to 40 miles an hour. This bike has 6 miles on it, only 6. Save hundreds off the price of a new one. Come by, make your little Metropolitan scooter dreams come true for just $22.99. We have financing, we have extended service contracts. Come by, check it out, make us an offer. If we can do it, we will. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean, used bikes in stock. We're going to take that 220-pounder right off. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.